अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सहीहुल बुखारी हदीस नंबर 1417। Save yourself from hellfire even with half a date. There are sometimes moments in the life when a single sentence can shake the heart, a single teaching that changes how we see everything. The Prophet ﷺ once said, "Save yourself from hellfire even with a half a date." Pause for a second. Half a date, not a fortune, not wealth, not something grand, just half a date. What does that really mean? Today, let's reflect deeply, not just understand it, but feel it. Every one of us is moving toward a day we cannot escape. A day when nothing hidden will remain hidden. A day when even the smallest action will be brought forward. We often think salvation requires something big, a huge donation, a life changing act, a dramatic transformation. But this hadith flips that thinking. It tells us something powerful. Your path to safety may lie in something small, something you almost ignored, that half date, that tiny act of giving, that moment of sincerity. It could be the barrier between you and hellfire. Why did not the Prophet say treasure? Why not something impressive? Because Islam is not about impressing people, it is about sincerity with Allah. A half date is something anyone can give, the rich and the poor, the strong and the weak. It removes every excuse. You can't say, I don't have enough. I will give later. I will wait until I am stable. No. Even if you have almost nothing, you still have something to give. And that small act, when done sincerely, carries immense weight. We underestimate small deeds all the time. A smile, a kind word, a sip of water given to someone thirsty, a coin placed quietly in charity. We think this is nothing, but Allah sees differently. A small deed done with a pure heart can outweigh mountains of empty actions. That half date is not about the date, it is about the heart behind it. It is about choosing to give even when you feel like holding back. Think about your own life. How many opportunities have passed by unnoticed? That beggar you ignored, the friend who needed help, the moment when you could have shared but did not. Not because you are a bad person, but because you thought it was not enough. This hadith is wake up call. It tells you don't wait to do something big. Do something now, even if it feels small, especially if it feels small. The Prophet ﷺ did not just say give charity. He said save yourself from hellfire. This is serious. Hellfire is not a metaphor. It is not my symbolic. It is real, intense, beyond anything we can imagine. And yet, the protection from it could be something as simple as half a day. That is not just mercy. That is overwhelming mercy. Allah is not asking for perfection. He is asking for effort, sincerity, intention. Sometimes what stops us from giving is not lack of faith, it's pride. We think if I can give properly, I would not give at all. But this hadith breaks the mindset. Even half a day matters. Even something that feels insignificant counts. In fact, giving when it feels small shows true humility. It shows you are not trying to impress anyone. You are just trying to please Allah. A powerful lesson here is consistency. Imagine giving something small every day, a coin, a piece of food, a small act of kindness. Over time, these small actions build up, they become a shield, a protection, a habit that shapes your soul. Half a day today, another tomorrow. I smile that the next day, and suddenly your life is full of deeds that protect you. Not everyone has money to give, but charity is not limited to money. Your time is charity, your words are charity, your effort is charity. Helping someone carry a burden, listening to someone in pain, guiding someone gently, all of this counts. The spirit of half a date is this: give what you can, from what you have. No excuses. Imagine a person standing on the day of judgment. They are afraid, unsure, waiting for their fate. And then a small deed appears, something they barely remember, a piece of food they shared, a small act they almost ignored, and the deed becomes their protection. Their shield from hellfire. What seemed small in dunya becomes great in the hereafter. Now ask yourself, what is your half at it? Is it a coin in charity? A kind message? Helping someone quietly? Don't delay it. Don't overthink it. Do it today, right now if you can, because the opportunity you have today may not come tomorrow. This hadith is not just advice, it is hope. Hope that no matter where you are in life, no matter how little you think you have, you still have a path to safety. You still have a way to protect yourself, even with half a day. So give, even when it feels small. Act, even when it feels insignificant, because in the sight of Allah, that small act might be everything. Save yourself from hellfire, even with a half a day. Pause for reflection. Soft nasheed in background, gentle reminder text on screen. Do a small good deed today. Assalamu alaikum.